In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite a contributor to your website. In other words, how to give someone else access to the website to make edits, and also show you how to vary that level of permission. So I'm here on a Squarespace demo site. Main menu here to the left. I'm going to click on settings, and then I'm going to click on permissions. And you'll see here that I am listed as the owner of this website, but I want to give someone else access. So I'm going to come up here to the invite contributor button and click that once. Here I'm going to put the name of the person I am inviting, and then I'm going to enter their email address. That is where the invitation will be delivered. And then here below, you can see all of the different permission levels. I won't go into long detail here, but take some time to read over those and figure out which permission level you want to give. You might need to play around with the permission levels to make sure the person you are inviting has access to the sections you want them to edit. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and just choose administrator. And once I've done that, I'm going to click invite. And you'll see here that I can see that an invite has been sent to this person. And what's going to happen is that person is going to receive an email like this that says contributor invitation. So you're going to have them open that email and then click the accept invitation button. And it tells me that I've been invited. So I'm going to click accept. And let's see, it says I'm logged in. We're going to say just continue. Oh, I already have permission on this site. Okay, so what's going to happen at that point is that you are going to see a screen to create a new Squarespace login. You will want to create a login using an email address and password. I do not recommend using the other features such as logging in with Facebook or other platforms. It just keeps it nice and simple. So once they create their new login information, they'll be able to go back and follow the login directions that you saw in an earlier module and log in as themselves to the website. And then here under permissions, you will be able to see that they also have been added with permission levels. So that is how to add someone as a contributor to your website.